In this video segment, we will review the basic installation of the Galaxy GX2 and its components. It has a simple installation system that can be desktop or wall-mounted. The Galaxy GX2 package comes with a test stand, a power supply if ordered, a spare parts kit, Ethernet cable, a product CD, a quick start guide, a screen protector, and you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. The Galaxy GX2 is designed for the connection of up to 10 test stands and 4 cylinder holders. Test stands must be placed sequentially on the right side of the first. Cylinder holders must be placed on the left side of the first test stand for best gas flow to all test stands. The maximum number of test stands cannot exceed 10. Caution: follow directions for toxic or reactive gases when using test gas cylinders containing chlorine or ammonia. To connect the test stands and cylinder holders, start with the rightmost or master test stand. On the left side, make sure all barb fittings are in place and straight before connecting a cylinder holder or another test stand. Press the two units together until the barb fittings are fully inserted and the screw holes in the flange align. Insert one of the supplied screws into the front and 2 screws into the back of the flange. Continue adding test stands to the right of the master test stand and add cylinder holders to the left. When connecting 2 or more test stands, be sure the white plugs are secured on the right side of the farthest right unit to prevent gas leakage. Test stands attached together should be connected through the provided Ethernet cable. Insert short Ethernet cable, which is included with each test stand, into the left side jack of each test stand, and connect it to the right side jack of the neighboring unit. Caution: all Altair Pro test stands are shipped with a black rubber base seal and a removable green rubber gas seal. The green seal is used only for Altair H2S and Altair CO instruments. The seal should be removed and stored for Altair O2 and all Altair Pro instruments. To mount the Galaxy GX2 onto a desktop, follow the following 5 steps. 1. Place the Galaxy GX2 on a flat surface. 2. Insert the power supply into the GX2 power jack. 3. If using MSA cylinder holders, the leftmost cylinder holder should have a fresh air filter attached to the top port. 4. If not using MSA cylinder holders, the leftmost test stand should have a fresh air filter attached to the top port. 5. Be sure the white plugs are inserted into the 5 gas connection fittings on the right side of the test stand to the farthest right. When wall mounting the test stand and appropriate cylinder holder, MSA recommends you complete steps from the desktop mounting section before installing on the DIN rail. If you have a large number of test stands and cylinder holders, MSA recommends you have several people help when installing or uninstalling from the DIN rail. Next, secure the DIN rail clips to the rear of the Galaxy GX2 using the included screws. Mount the DIN rail, type Omega, to the wall by securing it with wall anchors. Align the DIN rail clips over the wall-mounted DIN rail and snap into place. To remove from the DIN rail, grasp the back of the units and pull outward. The test stand can accommodate an SD or SDHC memory card. It's inserted into the port on the right side of the farthest right test stand. Only one memory card can be used in a group of stands. To install the memory card, make sure memory card is not write protected or locked. Insert the memory card into the port on the right side of the test stand. Place the optional end cap over the port to protect the memory card. To remove the memory card, push the card to eject it from the port. Remember, the memory card should not be removed when testing or data log downloads are in progress. The test stand will not store events when a memory card is removed. This concludes this video segment on the basic installation of the GX2 and its components.